Well, slept through my alarm. I'm only like an hour behind where I wanted to leave, but I usually get there super early anyways, so I'm not that worried about it. I just always leave really early to try to avoid the traffic going through Los Angeles, but I'm in the luxury of the U-Haul Chevy GMC Master Ultra machine, so it's not that big of a deal. Oh my god, the banner looks sick on the Miata. Alright, anyways, I gotta drive now. Well, the banner was short-lived. Now somebody that was behind me on the freeway has a banner that probably doesn't want one. Even though I'm late, I forgot to grab all these last night before I went to my friend's house to park the trailer. Contacted all the companies that I've worked with on the Miata so I could get their decals to run them at the show. And I couldn't let them down, so I had to come back home to grab these. It's alright though, because I got to see my dog one more time. My girlfriend's actually already at work. She works super early in the morning. So I feel bad because I kept her up so late last night loading the Miata and everything. She's the real MVP. Alright, let's get out of here. Hey, you guys can finally see me because it's daytime outside. We've been rolling about 4 hours. We're over halfway there. At this point, I'm officially not stressed about work or anything else for that matter, and I can say my vacation is really beginning here. My friend Mitchell is gonna try to catch me right now. He's like 20 minutes behind. He's also trailering his car, but he's a freaking speed demon with the trailer. Look at this guy freaking 5 minutes later. Mitchell! It says 55 miles an hour on my U-Haul fender. How am I supposed to keep up with you? There it is. The LOL MX-5. This is how old people go to car meets. Look at that arrow, bro. That's a 4-dimensional diffuser on that beast. And the side skirts. I'm getting a little tired. The good news is we're only about 20 minutes away from our unloading spot. So I can unload the car, chill for a little bit, and then we'll head over to the barbecue. Oh my god. It feels so good to stretch. We're finally here. About to get the cars unloaded and chill for a minute. I'm such a bad vlogger. Like, I went to the barbecue and I barely even shot any footage, just like some footage of the cars that were there, but I got to meet a bunch of you guys and just talk to like so many people were recognizing me, coming up to me, thanking me for the videos. Guys, that means the world to me when you come up to me and say that my videos helped you tackle some sort of job on your Miata. I had a guy come up to me and say that because of my videos, he had the confidence to do a complete K-swap on his Miata. Even though I don't have K-swap videos, just seeing me like dive into projects and stuff like that inspired him to really get to work on his car, and he finished a K-swap, and it was honestly one of the cleanest K-swap cars I've ever seen. So again, I appreciate you guys when you appreciate the videos. It's a two-way street here, so thank you for that. As far as my freaking ballin' hotel room, all right, it's kind of basic actually, but check out the parking situation. Got the pool here, that's where all the parties happen. 15 feet from my door. So that's pretty legit. I'm gonna get all my electronics set up, my laptop, get all my camera batteries charging, make sure I got all my mounts that I need. I'm going to the track tomorrow. I'm gonna be putting cameras on cars. I'm gonna be doing ride-alongs. I'm gonna be seeing even more cars than what I saw at the barbecue, meeting more people, meeting more of you guys. It's gonna be super sick. I am so excited, but I'm very tired. I'm probably gonna take a nap, maybe go out a little bit later for food or something, because I'm right in the middle of downtown Monterey. It's a prime spot. But anyways, I will see you guys in 1 second. We are on our way to Laguna Seca. Mitchell, if you have hurt yourself and you can't drive, you're going to be in big trouble.
What's this?
Wow.
Miatas garage right now. They're nice enough to let me use their space, and they're gonna help me investigate the issue that I'm having with the car. Super cool dudes. Hopefully it's gonna be something simple. I mean, there's only so many things that rotate underneath the car, so I'm just gonna swap out some parts and see if we can get her fixed. So the guys at Miata swapped out the drive shaft adapter on the Miata. Huge shout out to them for letting me use their shop space and getting that thing swapped out for me. I drove the car. It's way, way better. So I'm really amped that we found out what the problem was. Day 1 at Laguna Seca is over. I'm getting ready to head out and grab dinner with some friends. I'll be back for day 2 in the morning. I'm gonna go for a ride in a couple of the Miatas, one of them being the white NB, which makes over 520 wheel horsepower. I'm probably gonna crap my pants on camera and you guys will get to see it, so I'll see you tomorrow. What's going on, everybody? So I kind of had a little change of plans today. I ended up not going to the track. I just loaded up the trailer and started heading home. Honestly, just from being super tired. The last month, getting the car ready and everything. Sorry, the camera's tipping. I'm sitting in traffic right now. The last month of getting the car ready was just like the most intense struggle, and I really got burnt out, but of course I still wanted to go to the event, so I went, you know, Friday night, Saturday all day, had a great time, but I really just didn't have the energy to go for another day, and especially just really dreading the drive home. It's 7-8 hours, which just that drive by itself is not that big of a deal, but when you compound like everything with the car, trying to build it while I'm, you know, working at my regular job and trying to film and edit everything, which you guys saw like 10% of what I went through to get the car there. I'm amped that I got to meet a bunch of you guys out there. That was super cool. Sorry if you came on Sunday and expected to see me there, but honestly, I just really need to get home. I need to get ready for the next week of work. It's gonna be pretty stressful. But anyways, thank you guys for checking out this video. I will see you very soon. We got a lot of fun stuff coming out. I got the whole Get Track swap video to edit. That's gonna be a doozy. And then hopefully very soon, I will be able to do some real driving videos once everything is sorted out. I feel like I'm like this close. I've been building the car for so long and I'm this close to having it driving and running the way I want it to. So once again, I'm gonna keep pushing forward and the car will get there. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.